Deep in the woods outside of Whistler lie 7 abandoned train cars, left behind after a freight train carrying lumber derailed in 1956. For decades, nature has slowly been taking them back. Today, we're hiking the 1.5-mile trail through the forest to see what's left behind.
Pretty cool suspension bridge, and that means that we are very close to the train. Oh, we just caught the first glimpse. Wow, that's super cool.
Whoa.
There's so many of them.
That's neat.
So this plaque here says that 5 of the derailed boxcars were salvageable, but the remaining 7 were too damaged to save. So they stripped what they could and then left the rest of them here. They dragged them off the actual tracks to just clear the railway as quick as possible. And they've been here ever since for almost 70 years. You can see up here how crumpled they would have got during the derailment. This probably would have been the top of them, where you could walk across the top. I can imagine. Maybe there's a ladder up the back here at one point. Oh yeah, here's the ladder. So this ladder would have gone from all the way to the top, and then you would have been able to stand on this and walk across. So that's the top side of one right there. Oh, look, you can go inside this one. Looks like you can go on this one up here. Let's go check that out. Some really good graffiti on this too. It's not that far of a hike, so pretty easy to come out here. Not what you'd expect though in the middle of the Pacific Northwest woods. Walk through this one. Wow, this one still has the wood bottom. That's That's crazy. Huh. I can't believe it's still here. This one's pretty intact, actually. Surprisingly. Definitely smells like spray paint, though. I see this like wooden ramp behind me that's fallen down, but I'm trying to figure out what that would have been used for. And the only thing I can think is, I know mountain biking is huge in this area, so maybe it was some sort of a mountain bike, like they set something up to ride off of this, maybe for like a video part or something. That's the only thing that really makes sense to me. You can see there's some more wood right here. And maybe that was part of it as well. Came up right across the top. Then jumped down to there, which is pretty crazy, but pretty cool. You can get up on top of this one. I see this board over here too. That had to be what it was. There was some sort of mountain bike feature up here. That's the only thing that makes sense to me. If you know what it was, actually let me know in the comments, because now I'm super interested to figure out what somebody was doing up here. But this is a great short hike, and there's tons to see up here. This is really cool. I only see 5 of the cars though, and I read online that there were 7 of them. So I'm trying to figure out exactly where the other ones are. Might have to explore a little more and see. Maybe there's one hiding somewhere that is a little further away. Well, that was a great, really short little hike. A really unique and cool abandoned place. If you like this video, I would really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button and check out a couple of my other abandoned videos. I'll link my whole playlist up on the screen right here, and those will also be listed down in the description. But until next time, peace out.